if me I go endorse your thing, and me I go endorse it genuinely, me don't need the world to know say, me no like you at the same time, bro. Before that, me not post nothing. He rather Bounty Killer never post nothing, brother, and keep it to himself.
You see how Foota I bring up a little youth, the youth they are future dancer. I saw Beenie Man fear bring out some man and I say, yo. First and foremost, the outfit. What inspired this outfit, brother?
Yo, watch me outfit, dog. You don't know my youth. Yo, do the introduction and come back and tell you about it.
Yeah, people, big up on yourself. So, guys, this is a recap of the video that we post earlier on this week. So, you don't know, we have to do a follow-up of what took place over the weekend. You get me? I say, Beenie Man show, Vybz Kartel show, and people, you never know Sir P was that funny. We are gonna get into it.
Wow,
yeah,
ready?
Yeah.
Morning, sir.
Morning, me G.
Don't know we are beat up a coffee.
Bro.
So we have to do an early toast because we don't know if it's gonna get cold.
Yo, the outfit I do, the outfit I brother.
Yo, to success,
my
man.
G. To success. All we do is win, people. Win, no matter what.
Yeah, man, you have to sup it, man. I'm to you, dog.
Sup the coffee, man.
Yo, my name says suck, you know. I say sup.
All
right. We just want to clarify that.
Yeah,
Yo,
bro.
people, what go on? So before we go any further, you don't know, give the video a thumbs up. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Subscribe. Yo, for the one them when you subscribe yet, brother, we are
now
wait for no. Forward, no man. Do the thing, no
see
man. You see me? And then come join me.
Yeah, man. First thing on the agenda, Beenie Man outfit.
Yes.
Beenie Man outfit, when we see him touch down, I say bombard. At first when we see your outfit, I was wondering what is this?
A bunch of tissue.
Sunday morning, me a cook and me see one video pop up from Sir P. And me hear Sir P, I say, yo, I be a laugh, people a laugh after the outfit, and I film people, them produce the material, and them give Beenie Man the inspiration behind the outfit. First and foremost, people, Sir P say the material name Crocodile Clitoris. That material is called Crocodile Clitoris. This is the outfit that we're talking about right here. See?
Yeah.
And hopefully we can show you a clip of what Sir P did I say. You get me? I say, you're not going to laugh till you know week. You never know say man did a comedian.
You sure you want to post where I'm going to say, yo, no go over Sir P page, go look on it.
Bro,
and that
it's funny. So the inspiration behind the outfit is a tampon, bro. Me hear Sir P says a tampon. The man line up Beenie Man and line up 3 tampon and bro, he man say, yo, at this we did a go for and at this Beenie Man get. So Beenie Man was a walking tampon, people. That's what Sir P said.
Yeah, me answer now. Me don't want to know this Beenie Man in the dog.
No, and this them did.
Oh, you mean by?
The man say, Sir P also said, why uno Photoshop Beenie Man foot them and take off Beenie Man foot and put 2 sticks in a Beenie Man shoes. Cause if those were Beenie Man legs, Beenie Man would have named Beenie foot.
Yo, you man say no Sir P. You man say no man. Me I want you love the man in there. You see me? Even though we decrown him and have the crown and wait for the new uprising king, we don't know who yet.
Vybz Kartel.
No, bro, me know him man I go say, hey, relax. Then we're not ready yet. We're not ready yet. But yo, talking about that, I'm telling you what inspired me outfit.
Yeah, your outfit, bro, car, right? Me there, I got to think to myself, you know.
Yo,
fresh from prison.
Dog, but like how the dancehall landscape look right now.
Yeah.
Then, globally.
Bro.
Dancehall free. You see me? The shackles them off of dancehall.
Free, bro.
Free, dog. So I like how the artists them a do them thing. I like how the global stage look. You see me? I say, dog. So dancehall now, it a soar, not because of Vybz Kartel only.
Okay.
Listen, my dog. is a big factor in the whole thing. I mean, now go bias.
No, like give props to
Bro,
props, do you know that?
Bro, just cool,
like,
no, man.
No, let me ask you one question before you finish what you say. Before Kartel show and before Kartel touch US, how much of them artists you did I see? I keep them big show ya in the US.
Yeah, I'm not even go even debate nothing.
Enough conversation, bro.
Bro, I'm not debate nothing about no Kartel, bro.
Alright,
But just
bro.
tell you, bro. So, yo, listen.
Yeah.
Zane, dancehall right now look good.
They're on a global
Alkaline
stage
make it look good. Bounty Killer make it look good. Beenie Man make it look good. Vybz Kartel right now. Them are the giants.
So why make you left Kartel and put him down your back?
Jesus Christ, brother. God, judge you.
Why you not put him on which party man belong? Man belong to the front, brother.
Bro. Yo. Gaza Nation youth.
Talk your talk.
Yo, you may answer the people. Me not mention his name no more time apart from him show when keep in a Guyana. But before we go him show in a Guyana, we could touch upon Beenie Man show.
Beenie Man show, bro. Beenie Man show, people. It was a great show. And Beenie Man is one of the greatest performer out of Jamaica. We can't take that from Beenie Man. Beenie Man know if he perform. Even if a 10 somebody did it, man. Perform for them.
Him go and go
you
there.
Get me, I say?
Yeah, man.
And listen, the arena might never pack like when Kartel keep film concert, but him still get a big turnout. You
For
get me,
real,
I say?
yeah. Me like how the people them support it. Me like how it look. Me like the turnout.
Yeah, let me tell you
You see me? And
people,
hats off to Beenie Man.
The reason why Beenie Man show never sold out as how it should have, the show them keep too close to each other.
Me feel so.
You see me?
Yeah, man, me feel so.
The show them keep too close to each other. So therefore, bro, you don't give people no chance to recuperate financially.
Yeah, because as I said before, say if me spend $400 couple months ago for Vybz Kartel show, then me I think about if we go spend another 4 bills or 3 bills or whatever
bro.
it is
You still have
in
to
such a short space of time.
I have to remember people have them bills.
Yeah,
you have to understand these things, bro. So you see when the artists them keep them show you, bro, you have to space them out. You can't keep them one behind the other. It look too like a competition.
People them are gonna say I broke, you know that.
You
That's why you know, cause you have some man way.
Nah, I'm not busy with people man saying, bro.
But yo, some man we use the last dine and guy show just a little hype.
Me not do it.
Yeah, me not do it either.
You see me I say?
Nah do it. But yo, Footer Hype, me like how Footer Hype also go on with him thing at the show.
Yeah.
You see me? Footer Hype, I never huge the crowd still, you know. I never huge. Nobody feel like a huge the crowd. You see me? You go on with the thing. You go on, as me say, yo.
Footer Hype is a good DJ.
Yeah, as me say, him bring him thing to the culture. A dancehall as well. So
Footer Hype and I body selector.
That.
Footer Hype need to just stop chat and go back to the turntable and go back to the stage. Come off of social media and stop the chatting. Me see Footer Hype do a thing and it was a great moment to see him bring up the little youth there for social media.
Oh yeah.
You see me? It was a great moment. And like that. They are telling the people, we need more things like this. These are the things that I'm talking about. You see how Footer Hype bring up a little youth, the youth they are future dancehall. And so Beenie Man fear bring out some man and I say, yo, Ray. Beenie Man don't do them things.
You mean the youth are future selecting because it's like a little selector.
So dancehall needs selectors, you know, bro.
Yeah, me not lie.
Without selectors, there will be no dancehall, you know.
Yo. So anyway, give me a little short review on the Kartel show in Guyana.
Bro,
you see me?
First thing first.
Zane.
Vybz Kartel. The man is a legend. See me?
Bro, me tired for years I said that. Me say the man sure.
Listen up, first thing first. Vybz Kartel is a legend.
Shaja
you see me?
youth.
You didn't know say when Vybz Kartel got Guyana, Georgetown. Guyana.
Yeah.
Alright. Listen, so the man got Georgetown and when the man got Guyana, them did have one talent show. And for the talent show, Kartel was a judge. And you want to know, say, when the man did the dog, when you up on the stage will perform, Kartel say, yo, you, have to be on my show tomorrow night.
Zane.
You see me? These are the things we are talking about. You
You see,
you as a giant, you have to build some giants, bro.
But me like, that's one of the things when I observe with Kartel. We always a call out the artists, them, the young artists, or highlight some artists where, you know what I say, him try to put in the spotlight for at least people see that.
And these are the things where dancehall need. We need more. We need more of that, bro.
Yes,
you see me? You
like that.
Yeah. But people, Vybz Kartel show in Guyana was massive. The show sold out before Vybz Kartel got there. And Vybz Kartel had so much people on his stage. Why you? Vybz Kartel are doing part for dancehall.
But me think he must slow down to, dog. Because right now, Vybz Kartel, in performance, they go on good, but you could have see him kind of a little bit slow.
But you have to understand, so Vybz Kartel is a sick man, bro.
Well, true.
Vybz Kartel is a sick man, so if you look on it, Vybz Kartel and like Idonia and man like Movado, you have all the man where them have Vybz Kartel in a similar age bracket and them active, them fit.
But
Vybz Kartel, remember say Vybz Kartel has suffered from grave disease in a prison, dog, for years, Zin. And now him body a come back, and you have to understand, say, yo,
well,
some way my battle same way and like get better.
Well, true. Come here, have to understand that still.
I have to understand
so, yo,
that, bro.
He might battle other things apart from that. But
yeah, man.
I want to talk about the flyer where Bounty Killer post.
One Bounty Killer.
Yo.
Read where flyer say.
Alright, for real, I'm going to read where flyer say.
Read where flyer say.
Then, watch this. Now a unity where I say straight across the board. So all when we not like some people, or you know me not like a bone in a such child. But because we love dancehall, we still are going to encourage the message to do the right thing. May I make you start first? Because me not too, that message are kind of mix.
You know what? To me, in a mix.
In a mix?
In a mix. Let me ask you one question.
Go on.
If you in our fraternity, where you have a lot of people in a fraternity, you think everybody are going to like you?
No.
Alright. So true them not like you, that means say you and them can coexist?
Well, no.
Okay. So me feel like Bounty Killer is just being honest. He's showing his true personality. He might be himself. And me feel like say more people if be themselves, you would have a better world. Because if you know say a man not really like you or inner you, you're not going to do certain things.
Yeah, but alright. So Bounty Killer be honest. Zane?
Honesty, bro.
But yeah, he might be honest. But you know what I say? You cannot preach love and hate at the same time. You can't preach, say you want unity, and at the same time, dog, you show something else that is not unity, bro. How that work? How you gonna mix the two of them together? I don't hate him and show no dog. The man say, me not like a bone in a child.
That don't mean say hate him.
What you mean by say, me not like a bone in a
Alright, you have whole heap of parents and grandparents who don't like a bone in their own. You have to understand, say, Alkaline is Bounty Killer grandson.
Yeah, but it don't matter, dog. If you don't like him, man, dog, keep that to yourself, bro.
And watch out, you cannot kill Bounty Killer for that. Because you know why? Alkaline can't say nobody not get no inspiration from nobody.
Well, true.
Listen, him come and say, yo, I'm fans them. Make him be who he is. Listen, somebody have to inspire you.
All right.
You see me?
We discuss that already.
You see any idea? The end of the day.
All right.
If you did a Bounty Killer and you contribute so much to dancehall, and you see one little young artist come and go and like say, yo, you never do nothing, you're going to feel a way.
Yeah, but at the same time, dog, watch this. Me think it's hypocrisy. And the reason why, because you are saying unity, and at the same time, you make the world know, say, me not like you. If me are going to endorse your thing, and me are going to endorse it genuinely, me not need the world to know, say, me not like you at the same time, bro. Before that, me not post nothing. You rather Bounty Killer never post nothing, brother, and bro, keep it to himself. You can't come push out the man thing, brother, and I say, yo, say yo a unity, but at the same time, me not like the man, bro. Bro, low that.
I know Alkaline thing.
Bro, it's like man a smiling and
Alkaline thing. No. Alkaline dep on his show. I know Alkaline thing, bro.
No, but I'm on the forefront of it.
No, nobody.
What you mean? You know say? What you mean by?
Bounty.
I'm the man at the forefront of it.
Pussy again, me daddy.
Nah, man, you can't do that, dog.
You know.
Yo, listen. I'm going to tell you already, you know, dog. You see, you can't mix two energy, you know. If you have a wrong energy and a right energy, you can't put them together and make it work.
No, man,
and that's how
that,
but brother.
You hear about yin and yang. You can't have good without bad. You have to have the two of them. Yin and yang go together, bro.
Brother, you hear me say?
You see, that I think you don't understand.
Well on, you see, dancehall now, dog. Dancehall no need the negativity.
No negativity,
no
need it, bro. Honesty.
Flow right now.
Honesty and no negativity, bro.
No man, keep that to yourself. Bounty Killer to me come like
right
some...
now, nobody
listen
like
to
Alkaline. Nobody.
No, man.
Only Vendetta fans. Me not done against Alkaline.
Yeah, but me rate him. And not because me talk about him the other day and said this and that and whatever. Me rate Alkaline.
You rate Alkaline?
Yes.
But you rate with Alkaline say what here?
Brother, me
but
me tell you say, yo, me I go be honest, dog. Me I go be honest and me burn him out for that because me know say somebody must inspire him.
Okay.
You see me? Me burn him out. But me I tell you now, Bounty Killer... No, man, listen to me.
Giant feelings.
Bounty Killer come like some pastor, dog. Pastor will come preach to you every day. Yo, don't fornicate, don't this, don't that. And then, you see, after Wednesday night, after Bible study, a pastor that run the back and dig out the church sister baby. You see me? So, he might preach one thing, top nice, no brother. He might preach one thing, and then at the same time, he might do another thing. Brother, you can't do that.
Hey, Mr. Fresh from prison hot this morning, you know. Fresh from prison hot.
But me I tell you that, you cannot do that, Bounty. Yo, Bounty, you can't do that, brother.
Yeah.
That is why unity in a dancehall are going to stay the way it is. Because you, as a giant in a dancehall, I going to say, yo, you know, like a bone in the child. Brother, keep that to yourself. Nobody no need to know that. Honesty, but don't promote the man thing. It's like you're smiling at a man face and have a knife on your back.
You know much man come on podcast every day and comment and then don't like
yeah, but them are going to say what them are going to say. No matter. Me not go come public and say, yo, the man them way commenting the comment go suck on the mama go this. No, bro.
Honesty, dog. Better me prefer know what you think. Me prefer know what you think than know what you think.
Yeah, but checks. Me now go come smiling at your face.
What Bounty not smile?
How you mean? So what am I endorse? Where I do? You choke the man thing for the world see it.
Smile. The only time Bounty smile I when Beenie Man say, yo, big up Bounty Killer. I just see Bounty like Bounty stays so with the liquor. Wine or he look a drink at the Bounty.
Brother.
Hey, Bounty, I enjoy life nowadays.
You may answer that. Bounty Killer. Me rate you about that way, yo. More for me and take down that, brother.
Oh, dog.
What you mean?
Big up yourself, Bounty. Big up all artists.
Me don't say that already, so the dancehall landscape are going good globally.
Yeah.
You see me? But don't come go on like you want to preach negative and positive in the same. Brother, are you? Hey. Yo, me dash look coffee for him in that. Yo, Bounty, where are you?
You can't do that. You're violate now. You're mad. You're mad. Can't do that, daddy.
Yo, hear me answer that. Hear me answer. Alkaline thing a come up in Florida. Dog, me know it a go sell off. Nobody say nothing when it come out and the drop and you see it sell off. And I hope you endorse me and big him up like how you big up the world boss, you know.
And me big up Beenie Man too.
Oh, me just say.
And me big up Foota Hype. And me big up Sir P.
Alright.
You see me? Yeah, bro.
Yo, one more thing before we cut. Oh, you have no more to say? Before we say something else?
No, man. Me just say, yo, people, Sir P is a comedian.
Well, yo, yeah, me say. But hope the young artists them take notes at this time. If you say, yo, the giants them are return and them are do them thing and people are see them. Because guess what? You see, the whole trap dancehall and the whole trap music now, one thing with it, dog, them hot, you know, but them not have no longevity.
No, 6 months at that.
That's what I say.
You have to understand, say, that a 6 months at. And you see, me know say dancehall evolve. Me know say dancehall evolve, but at the same time, we have to try to keep that authenticity.
Authentic. Yeah,
we have to try to keep that one drop there. We have to keep that kick there. The end idea, we have to, the artists them, we have to try to maintain the foundation of dancehall, which is the rhythm where dancehall was birthed from. You get what I say?
And not only that, you see, the young artists them will come up, them sing about the whole chopping a line, the scamming, you know what I'm saying? All these things. Them then have no kind of, as what I said before,
they don't have the longevity.
Them not have the substance, right? Them not have the longevity, bro. So them there are going to happen now, then it fade out. Zane?
Yeah, man.
And that is why these mogul is still hot in the dancehall world today because guess what? Them lyrics have longevity. Beenie Man can sing one song from when me a boy.
Same, man.
In a dancehall right now. And dancehall and everybody jump and kick and ray.
That's true.
You see me? The same thing with Kartel, Bounty Killer, Baby Sham. You see me? Elephant Man. First time when you go dance and you hear Elephant Man, them man they bring energy to the stage. Everybody in a dancehall. Now, trap dancehall are going good, but at the same time when you go a party a beer, you see me?
Chopping and beer.
Yeah, you can't enjoy.
I understand what you say, because you know if we want the youths them of tomorrow to be like great artists and great people have, you know, great qualities in a society. We can't get up every day and preach scamming and chopping. And chopping and this and that. Bro,
and Fat Ride and Big House. We understand those things.
No, you have to talk about the Big House and the Fat Ride.
No, we understand the Fat Ride.
You have to call it into being.
But what me say is
that...
that...
want a Fat Ride.
What you mention, dog. But at the same time, dog, we need the substance in the dancehall.
That's true.
And as we say, trap dancehall now it good and everything. But we need enough to go back to the drawing board and put look more substance. Take out the heap chopping and the scamming and make the music have some longevity. More see them draw crowd like how Beenie, Bounty, Alkaline.
Hold on, sell out. Then do it too, you know.
Where?
Then do it. Because remember say...
On an international stage.
No, but you have to understand saying
so that we are talking about,
no, what is not? Then do it on an international... Listen, we may try to show you, say, you see when them do it, bro, at the younger crowd, the younger generation, you get me? I say, people for me age and for your age, we might go, but you still have the younger people them who are them. So you have to just understand.
But all right, cool.
You see me?
But look on Bounty Killer, look on Beenie Man show.
Everybody are go.
Everybody are go both young, old, and middle age.
Yes.
You understand what I say? So you see the difference.
In the 50s and 60s.
All right. So you see the difference.
I have people in their 20s.
Exactly the point. Because high schoolers alone can't support you, brother.
That's true, man.
Young people alone can't support you. You need to be versatile where you capture from the young, old, middle age go right up.
That's true.
You see me? So yo, big up on yourself still.
You see me? And cheers to success, as you say, bro.
Success, bro.
You see me? Please share, please comment, please subscribe.
Well, yo, Nas and Trex Dan.
You see me?
Oh, yo, I need to say your name there, but...
At least, man, I want you, bro.
Nas and Trex Dan.
Rich!
Yo, I'm not going to use a gun finger here, because I love where I preach.